Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we deep dive into cutting-edge gear and appliances that make your life easier and smarter. Today, we're taking a look at what is arguably the best tankless gas water heater condensing system available right now, the Rinnai CX199iN. This commercial-grade tankless water heater packs power, efficiency, and smart features all in one compact unit. If you're in the market for top-tier performance and serious energy savings, you'll want to watch this entire video. The Rinnai CX199iN is a condensing tankless water heater built for high-demand environments. It delivers a mighty 199,000 BTUs and up to 11.1 gallons per minute of hot water, making it suitable for commercial settings or larger homes that need simultaneous hot water access across multiple fixtures. It's built with versatility in mind, whether you're using natural gas or propane, and whether your installation is indoors or outdoors, this unit has you covered. Aesthetically, it comes in a sleek silver finish and measures about 18.5 inches wide by 30 inches high. It's compact, but don't let the size fool you. Inside is a high-efficiency system with a thermal efficiency of 97%. That means you're getting hot water without draining your wallet on utility bills. It weighs just over 27 kilograms, making it easier to mount than traditional water heaters, especially in commercial settings. The real magic of the CX199iN lies in its Smart Sense technology and Bluetooth-powered Smart Connect features. These allow you to monitor, manage, and troubleshoot the heater from your smartphone using the Rinnai Central app. Whether you're a facility manager or a homeowner, that level of convenience is next level. The app interface makes it easy to adjust temperature, view performance stats, and schedule maintenance reminders. And speaking of maintenance, there's a quick flush system built in, making upkeep simple and stress-free. Installation is another area where this model shines. Thanks to the VersaVent design, you can install it indoors or outdoors. If you go with outdoor installation, just make sure you include the RXOVC vent cap. It also includes an optional recirculation kit, giving you more control over your hot water availability and allowing for reduced wait times at the tap. And let's be honest, that's both a time saver and a water saver. Imagine running multiple showers, a dishwasher, and a washing machine, all at once, without ever running out of hot water. That's the kind of performance the CX199iN offers. It's engineered for durability and consistent high-volume output, ideal for restaurants, gyms, or larger homes with high water usage. With 120 volts of operation and a wattage rating of 600, it's both powerful and efficient. And it seamlessly switches between propane and natural gas, thanks to the Smart Sense gas control system. So if you're looking for a future-proof, smart, and powerful tankless water heater, the Rinnai CX199iN checks every box. It's smart, it's efficient, and it's built to handle serious demand without compromise. Make sure to check out the link in the description if you want more information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a product critique deep dive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.